Hey everybody, this is me and Alex here. We're here at an abandoned train. Let me just get into the view here. We biked from where we were to here. It wasn't that far of a bike ride, but it's really hot outside. Slash, not really. Actually, I lied about that. I'm sorry. We're gonna go explore this train now, and hopefully you guys enjoy this slow slash fast slash. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, there's a lot of junk around here. Anyways, we're gonna go explore this train now. And then we're gonna go explore this train, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. See what happened. Alright. So while we were over there and those were actually our first attention. We don't know if we're going to do it now, but see that tower over there?
Sorry, I don't know if the camera can see it, but anyway, what we're going to do is that we're going to go there, and we're going to check out to see if that's abandoned or what it is exactly. And then this nice gentleman came and he was looking around. He was really silent at first, but we were just checking out, and we found that a lot of guys, they comment, they scrap from metal at the train and they ship the wires.
He's a really nice guy, actually. I thought maybe he was homeless and he was coming to...
No, but he was going up there because he lived there or something, so it looks like we got an owner, we got permission from him to be here. So it's pretty sick. Guys, look what I found right here. Famous shitter. Yeah, and by the looks of it, it has not been washed. Let's see somebody. Hey! Oh, look at that. No. You know what? I'm going to stop there. That's disgusting.
We're about to leave the train, and we're going to go try to find some other spots. Alex and I here are going to...
Pretty much explored it.
Yeah.
Met a friend here. Well, kind of.
And now we're going to go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Well, let's try.
So maybe another train, a building, something.
Alright.
We'll keep you updated. See ya.
Bye. Bye. We made it to a few trains. It's not too far from the other one, but now it's actually a used train, so this...
A used one, not abandoned one, used one.
Yeah, so this is I'm a freaking rebel.
You gotta be quiet.
Alright, so we're gonna jump around here for a little bit, not too long, and after that we're gonna go to a couple more roofs near like a parking garage after, and then I think that will be it for the video.
Yeah. Hey, check out the tower though, man.
I can't see, the sun's in my eyes.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting, when your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't
We're on the roofs, as you can see. It's pretty sick. Pretty high. Matt's just over there. Yeah. We're on top. I'm going to show you a second clip. Let's see. My head's in the way. There he is. But yeah, we're going to shoot some clips on top of these roofs, show you around a little bit. Hope you like it.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through? In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand.
This is probably going to be the last stunt for the day, but we can only do one person because of the noise, and we got to get away from this because we got to bolt right after this. Yeah, you know, on roofs, North Bay, not the most legal thing. But so, as you can see here, the gap, and Matt playing a good jump. As you can see, it's the big one. But he got this. I'm gonna go up to the roof over there and get a bike number go, and then we're gonna
go home and probably finish the vlog.
yeah, and then we'll finish the vlog there.
Wish me luck.
Yeah, wish me luck. You made that.
In charge, call me a shooting star. Shooting stars didn't even get to cross.
Hey guys, it's us again. Sorry, as you can see, we're changed clothes because we totally forgot. We just got home and passed out. We're pretty beat. But yeah,
Bye. no. Needs a better outro.
Yeah, it needs a better one than that. Anyways, yeah.
Hopefully you enjoy.
Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this.
Bye.
Bye.